Let us talk about physical world. Then physics. Physics is the branch of science that deals with nature and natural phenomena that occur in nature. Physics is the branch of science that deals with nature and the natural phenomena that occur. Then physics has a two domain, one a microscopic and next is macroscopic. Very small, that is microscopic. Very large, that is macroscopic. The microscopic domain contain atom, molecular, nuclear phenomena, whereas macroscopic domain include phenomena taking place at a laboratory or astronomical scale. Science has a great influence of technology. Some of technological advancement with science sonar technology is sonar, that is a scientific concept, reflection of ultrasound, reflection of ultrasonic waves, and a rocket Newton's third law. Third law of motion, rocket repulsion, and an aeroplane. principle of in fluid dynamic. Steam engine, laws of thermodynamic, optical fiber, total internal reflection of light. Then from this point we know that if we study physics, then we could work in a different field for different and physical world also governs that force, different type of force, fundamental force. The fundamental force in nature, four fundamental force: one, gravitational force; second, electromagnetic force; third, strong nuclear force; and a weak nuclear force. Then gravitational force, it obey the inverse square law. It is always attractive in nature. It is a long range force and extend up to infinite. Gravitation is a field particles of a gravitational force. It is a weakest force operating in nature. It is a central force and hence a conservative of a force. Electromagnetic force, it obey the inverse square law. It may be attractive or repulsive in nature. It is a long range force. The proton is the field particle of electromagnetic force. It is about 10 to the power 36 times stronger than the gravitational force. It is a central as well as conservative force. Then nuclear force. The strong nuclear force binds protons and a neutron in a nucleus. The weak nuclear force appeared only in certain nuclear processes such as beta decay. A strong nuclear force is the strongest force in nature. It is about 100 times strongest than the electromagnetic force. Weak nuclear force is stronger than the gravitational force but weaker than the electromagnetic or strong nuclear force. It is a short range force and is operative only over the size of nucleus. A strong nuclear force is responsible for the stability of nuclei. Gravitational force laws of conservation of linear momentum. It states that if no external force act on a system, the system linear momentum of a system remain conserved. Means a body will be continue into state of rest or motion up to when a external force act on it. That is the laws of conservation of linear momentum. Laws of conservation of energy state that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. However, it may change from one from another. Law of conservation of angular momentum, it states that if no external torque acts on the system, then the total angular momentum of the system remains conserved.